Hey everybody, this is a demonstration of our Airway speaker, the Y370. Totally outdoor waterproof speaker rated at IPX6. It's a really chunky size, good size, heavy weighted speaker, so it produces excellent bass. You have a little carry handle here on the side, so you can just take it with you portable everywhere. And the controls on the back are blacked out to make it look really cool. Switching on the power, easy here, we can see straight away we have some RGB lights show on the top and also on the bottom of the speaker where the bass panels are. Those lights can be changed. The pattern has a button function here where you can change the pattern of them to suit your music or your style. With the two drivers of this speaker placed on the sides, this speaker is ideal to be in a standing upright position and placed in the corner of a room. So now that it's just connected to my Bluetooth, let's play some music and test out the sound. So you'll notice on the front here we've got volume control, and you can just push these big plus or big minus here to increase or decrease the volume, or you can also use the same buttons to skip or repeat a song.